Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe on your way out. Today I wanted to talk to you about Kat Von D's Shade and Light palette compared to Profusion's contour palette. And I did recently pick both of these up within the last couple of months and I've been testing them out. I actually had never used Kat Von D's Shade Light palette until maybe the fall of last year, and I've never used any of Profusion's products as well. So this is my first Profusion product, and they both have very big similarities to each other. I picked up the Pro Contour by Profusion at Marshall's, but they do have them at Target. Sometimes you can also find them at stores like TJ Maxx. This one retails for under $10, I believe, and the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette usually about $50. So you're saving a significant amount of money for a contour palette. I'm going to show you guys swatches and the similarities between the two. You're going to see me put them on my face, and I'm going to do a wear test for you guys just to see how long they both last compared to one another. And just so you're kind of familiar with my face, I do have an oily complexion. So a lot of the time my bronzers, my blushes, highlight, all of that is usually gone by the end of the day. If there is any remnant of any product, then to me the product works pretty well. Okay, so everything on the top is the Kat Von D, everything on the bottom is the Profusion. The Kat Von D, this is the Profusion. So let's talk a little bit about the formula. So both of them feel very soft and buttery on the skin. The Profusion one is actually a little bit softer than the Kat Von D. They both have similar pigmentation, and the only difference that I saw when I was swatching them was the Profusion just has a slight amount of more kickback, or like a powdery, and the Kat Von D kind of just glides on without more of that kickback, but it doesn't change the way that they apply, and it doesn't change the way that they held up throughout the day. So I did leave this on my face for 8 hours, and I was wearing a BB cream and other things. I did put a primer on, the same stuff that I always use. And I did think that both of them held up pretty well. The Kat Von D actually didn't. Probably the one that I didn't see the most of. The Profusion kind of lasted a little longer on my face. I did apply the Kat Von D on this side of my face, which is my left, and I applied the Profusion on this side of my face. And I'm wearing Profusion today, just so you guys know, because I was really impressed by how the Profusion palette held up, that it's actually a really good dupe for the Kat Von D. So if you wanted to try one of the palettes, because I know there's a ton out there now, Anastasia makes one, NYX has one, there's a bunch of them that have like this type of setup for you. I really like it. I think it's really handy for the different colors. I use different colors around different perimeters of my face. I use darker colors underneath the chin, a little bit darker here, but then I kind of do a little bit more of the warmer tones just maybe around the perimeter of my face to warm it up, and the darker tones to kind of give me more of those shadow effects, especially the cooler tones on my nose. It works really well, and I do recommend it. I am curious to try out some more Profusion in the future. They do have a few other eyeshadow palettes that I hear they dupe for high-end. So let me know if you guys want to see anything like that, and thank you guys for watching my dupe video, and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video on your way out, and we'll see you in the next one.